Good evening, sir. I'm Arshia from CSC department. Today, my topic is about block diagram of public address system. Block diagram of public address system. So, introduction about block diagram. A public address system is a communication system used to distribute sound throughout a building or area. It is commonly used in public spaces such as schools, airports, and stadiums. The block diagram of a public address system illustrates the various components and their interconnection. So these are the visual representations like speakers, mics, and everything. These are the equalizers, stabilizers. Yeah. Source. So let us know what's meant by source. The audio source, such as microphone or music player, provides the input signal to the system. The source signal is typically amplified before being distributed to the speakers. The source can also include pre-recorded messages or announcements. And next one is about mixer. The mixer combines multiple audio sources into a single output signal. So when if we take a mixer combines multiple audio, like multiple audios will come and the resultant will be one single output signal. It allows for volume control and adjustment of different audio inputs. The mixer ensures a balanced and clear sound output. Amplifier. What's meant by amplifier? The amplifier increases the power of the audio signal to drive the speakers. So it increases the power of audio for us to the speakers for us to listen like more. It boosts the signal strength to cover a large area or overcome background noises. Like this is especially used in meetings or some events like to hear for a lot of people and lot of area to hear the sound more place, more area. Amplifiers can be distributed throughout the system to ensure consistent sound quality. Equalizers. The equalizers adjust the frequency response of the audio signal. It fine-tunes the sound to compensate for acoustic or speaker characteristics. Equalizer can enhance the clarity and balance of the audio output. So this is the diagrammatical representation. Time delay is greater than or equal to daily spread. Baud rate equalizers. Tap delay is equals to symbol rate. Frictionally sound equalizers. Multiple taps or symbol. Type 2. Processor. So what's meant by processor? The signal processor modifies the audio signal for the specific effects or enhancements. It can include the features such as compression, limiting, or noise reduction. Processor optimize the audio quality for different environment or applications. This is the diagrammatic representation of a processor. Distributed. The distributed routes the audio signal to different zones or speakers. It allows for customized distribution of sound throughout the area. Distributors can control volume levels and prioritize audio sources. Speaker. We are very familiar to this term or this device called speaker, which we use for the external sound to hear more loudly. Like when let us consider it as a DJ or we'll get small Bluetooth. So it is used to increase the volume. Speaker converts the electrical audio signal into sound waves. Exactly. When we They are strategically placed to ensure even coverage and clarity. Different types of speakers, such as Ceiling wall mounted horn speakers are used based on the application. Like ceiling wall mounted, which is used for home theaters, horn speakers are also like small Bluetooth, which are used to enhance our voice of the audio. So this is the representation of loudspeaker. So which here we have inner suspension called as spider, permanent magnet. This is permanent magnet. It is coil. This is dust cap. So which prevents which will not allow dust to enter into the speaker. And these are the electric signals plus and minus. And this is cone vibrates outer suspension surround. When it comes to here, it's input voltage, moving voice coil, and the sound is comes. So input device, audio amplifier. If audio amplifier is divided into three types: high pass filter, band pass filter, low pass filter. Here we can see in high pass filter we have high frequency, band pass we have mid frequency, and low pass we have low frequency. Control panel. The control panel provides a user interference for operating the public address system. It allows for volume adjustment, source selection, and system configuration. Control panels can be centralized or distributed for ease of use. User interference. So this is user application operating system hardware. This is the operating system placement. User interference. Users may also interact with the operating system with some kind of software user interference like typing commands by using command line interference CLI or using a graphical user interference. For handheld and desktop computers, the user interference is generally considered part of the operating system. On large multi-user systems such as Unix-like systems, the user interference is generally implemented as an application program that runs outside the operating system. And here comes the conclusion. The block diagram of a public address system showcases the interconnected components that work together to deliver clear and effective audio communication. Understanding the functionality of each component is essential for designing and maintaining a reliable public address system. Advances in technology continue to improve the efficiency and capabilities of public address systems for a variety of applications. So, if we look at the address system, PAS, PAS or PA system block diagram. So here we have three kinds of microphones. Microphone 1, 2, and 3, which all goes into the mixer. It converts into amplifier. In amplifier, it will be divided for speaker 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. ఇంకో సబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంకొకటి ఉంది అయిపోతుంది